Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be a brand new subscription box that I haven't unboxed on my channel before, and it is a stationery subscription box, and this is the Papergang by Oh Dear. And this is what it looks like. It's letterbox friendly. The design is absolutely beautiful. Such a pretty box. This is their March box and the theme is spring. So if you're new to Papergang, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen previous unboxings or you've seen other reviews and you just want to skip forward to seeing the actual contents inside this month's box, then I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. But Papergang by Oh Dear is a monthly subscription box. It costs £10.95 a box, and then there's £2.95 shipping within the UK. They do ship to 26 different countries. Off the top of their head, when I had a quick look, there was the US, Canada, I think there was Germany, France. There's a few there anyway, and the most that you'd be paying for postage and packaging would be £4.95 or the equivalent in your currency. So if you're interested in this box, I would suggest looking on their website, checking the countries that they post out to. All details related to this box and links to the website and everything I will add down below in my description. So click on the little show more that's underneath the video, and that will bring up like a bigger section of my description, and all links and stuff will be down there. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, and for new subscribers they offer your first box for 50% off. For every 4 boxes that are sold, money will go towards tree aids to help build a tree. They're an independent company that design, pack and ship all from the UK, and each month you will receive a box filled with lots of stationery items such as greetings cards, notebooks, desk accessories and things like that, and art prints and things, so you get an idea of the type of things you'll be receiving. I've already had a quick look inside this box because this box was kindly gifted to me, and so with all my boxes that I receive that are gifted, especially if I've never had them before, never unboxed them before, I like to have a look first to see what it's like, to see any extra information, and so that I can give you an honest review. Whereas my normal unboxings or the regular subscription boxings I do on my channel, I know, I have an idea of what to expect, so I like them to be a bit of a surprise. So I've already had a look in here, so let's open it up and show you. I just love that design. It is so pretty, really pretty. So it's all packaged there, and we've got a little extra thing here that I'm assuming couldn't fit in there properly, so they put it on the side. It says how Papergang works. We think of fun ideas for the coming month's box. We work with illustrators over the globe or our in-house team to design the products. Our illustrative creations are brought to life in stationery form, and yay, a box full of papery goodness arrives at your door. So I'll give you a quick look first. So I'll put this down to the side of me, pick an item, show you and refer to the little leaflet that's in here. So here's the little leaflet that comes with it. So on this page here, it details everything that's included in the box, and it also has the price, which I really like as well. And then we've got a little booklet here detailing about the Butterfly Conservation Charity, and it's got on the back how you can help by fundraising, recording and monitoring, volunteering, etc. So it's a lot of information there, but I just noticed this quote. It's by Sir David Attenborough, and he's the Butterfly Conservation President, and it says, during my lifetime I have seen at first hand how the UK's once plentiful butterflies have dwindled and diminished, with some species even becoming extinct. This is a gloomy outlook, but not one that is set in stone. We must make sure these losses are halted and reversed. And then it says on the front here, £1 per box sold goes towards protecting butterflies, moths and our environment. So there's that. So what a wonderful idea, wonderful idea. Like, as I said, it's all full of information about the charity and stuff. So I'll be referring to this little part as we go along. So the first item is butterfly paper clips, pack of 20 paper clips. So this is the item that was on the side there as we open up the box. And these are really cute. And we've got little paper clips in there. If I turn it out too much, it'll just fall out. So I'll just get 1 or 2 just to show you. That is so cute. Really cute. My daughter is going to love these, so I'm going to give a few to her. I'll keep a few to myself, but no, I'm going to give her most of them. So, because she just collects things like that. She absolutely loves stationery, and those are just so cute. So we got 20 paper clips there, and the recommended retail price for these, if you were to buy them, is £3.95. So that's our first item. So our next item is an enamel pin, and it's a butterfly. It had to be a butterfly. It had to be. So that's what it looks like there. there. I think that is lovely. I don't tend to wear pins or badges or anything on my clothing, but I do like wearing them on my bags. I put some on my bags. I have quite a few of them, but this is artwork by Oh Dear. That's what the information says on the back there, but no, I really like that. That is really pretty. To buy this, it would cost you £5.95. So that's the second item. Next, we've got some art prints. Now, I haven't had a look at these. I've just seen this, what it looks like in the box. It looks really lovely, doesn't it? So I'm going to take this off here. I absolutely love this one. There's three, is there three altogether? Yeah, there's three altogether. And this is, there are always flowers for those who want to see them. I am 100% going to put that in a frame and put it up in my little office room. I think that is so pretty. It's the same design as their outer packaging. I think that is gorgeous, really, really nice. And then we've got some butterfly ones. So we've got a small tortoiseshell, orange tip and a peacock butterfly print. You can see more detail there. And then we've got a large one, like a gold foil effect, which is the same design as the pin here. That's pretty. It's hard to imagine what they look like as they are, but once you put a frame on them, I think that'd be really nice, wouldn't it? Personally, for me, I think this one is the one I would use. I'm not sure if I would put those in frames and hang them up. I'll give them to my daughter. She might be interested, but that one, definitely, I think it's more suitable for me, really. I think it's just really nice. So, and a nice quote as well. But no, so those are the three art prints, and to buy them, they would cost you, to see. So 3 times A5 art prints would cost you £12.95. So that's our third item. And then lastly, it's my favourite thing, and it's quite heavy. It's a desk organiser planner type thing. And it's in this gorgeous design again, exactly the same as the print and the outer packaging of the box. It is so lovely. And it's got my week, and it's got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then doodles, notes to do. This is absolutely perfect for me. We're renovating the house at the minute, so our house is all over the place. But I do want to create a nice space in like a little office sort of space. So I think this is going to be perfect on the desk there, so I can jot things down, because my brain is like a sieve. I keep forgetting things all the time, and I'm always doing lists, loads and loads of lists all over the place all the time. So I think that would be really handy for me, so I'm really, really chuffed to receive that. So to buy this yourself, it would cost you £7.95. So those are all the items. There's 4 items inside this box. I'm not sure how many you normally get, but they do have past boxes on their website, and so you're able to have a look back and see what the previous boxes are like, which I quite like. So I'll just gather them up and show you. So those are the 4 items. We've got the butterfly paper clips, we've got the butterfly enamel pin, we've got 3 art prints, and we've got the desk organizer pad as well. So my personal thoughts on this box is that it's a gorgeous box. The thought behind it and everything, the charities they support and help out, I think it's lovely, really, really good. And I like the fact that it's all in-house and it's designed and everything. I do really like that. I think if you're a stationery lover, then you will absolutely love this box. And for the price, I think altogether it's around just under £14 a month. I think it's a nice treat to have delivered through your letterbox, definitely. For me personally, I'm not as big a fan of stationery. I do like receiving it, and there's some items that I really love in there. I will be using that pad for sure. The paper clips, I'll be giving most of them to my daughter. The print, I'll be using one of them, and I'll see if my daughter wants the other 2. And what else did we have? Oh, we had the enamel pin. So now I'll use that, and I'll put it on one of my bags. So all the items will be used. There's nothing there that won't be used. But is it a box that I would regularly subscribe to? For me, no. But it's because I'm not a stationery lover. I love it. I love receiving items, but it's not something that I gravitate towards when I go for subscription boxes. I was fortunate enough to be gifted this box, and I really appreciate it. I really enjoyed opening it and seeing everything. And yeah, it is a gorgeous box, but for me, month to month, it's just not for me personally. But that's got no reflection on the box whatsoever. It's just something that I wouldn't normally go for. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. I'd love to know if you receive Papergang every month. What are the months like? And is it good value for money? I'd love to know all your thoughts, so please write them down below. But the reason why I'm doing this video in the first place is because I was contacted by Cratejoy. So if you don't know anything about Cratejoy, Cratejoy is a huge subscription box marketplace. They've got over 1,700 boxes all over the world. They've got like about 130, 150 boxes in the UK, but that's not to say that they only ship to the UK. They ship elsewhere. They've got boxes like the Pip box, for instance, which you might have seen me inbox on my channel. The cruelty-free beauty box, that's another box that comes under them as well. It's definitely worth checking out because they bring out lists. So at the moment, they've got a special list for Mother's Day. So if you're thinking of maybe purchasing a subscription or a one-off box, for instance, as a gift to your mum or a friend or anybody for Mother's Day, then they've created a list of all their like subscription boxes that they think would be quite nice and quite relevant. And this was one of them, and which is one of the reasons why they sent it to me, so that I unbox it in time for Mother's Day and show you what you could get if you were thinking about getting it for yourself or someone else. But yeah, Cratejoy is just good. Oh my gosh, you could get lost in the amount of subscription boxes. They do have lists for everything. So they've got like top 12 food subscription boxes, top 12 beauty subscription boxes, and they change the list continuously as well. And yeah, so it's a really good place if you want to check out new up and coming subscription boxes, or subscription boxes that aren't always in the limelight as such, or subscription boxes you've never heard of or you've heard of, then definitely check out that website. I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Oh, by the way, I've got 2 more boxes from Cratejoy coming, so look out for those over the next week or 2. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.